What's up, everybody? I'm out on a short walk today with my wife. Today is her birthday and we're going to one of her favorite places to go on a walk to. And it's supposed to be raining at the moment, but it's pretty sunny, so we're in luck. So I'll bring my camera along the walk today and you guys can kind of see what it's like. Alright, everybody, it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna make this kind of quick. I don't know how well you can see, but there's a rainbow out right now. Figured I'd try to show you guys that anyways. Yeah, like I said, today is my wife's birthday, so we just got done having dinner and opening presents and all that. So hope you guys liked the little walk we went on today, and catch you later on the next one.